How to turn off business account on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you here to your homepage. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see your 5 different options there. Click on your profile. And as you can see, you will see a professional dashboard. That means I have turned on my business account on Instagram. Now, to be able to get rid of that and turn off our business account, what you're gonna do is on the upper right, you'll see the 3 dash lines there or the burger sign. Click on that and go to settings. Now, here on settings, click on account here. Now, under account, scroll all the way down up until you see switch account type. So tap on that and make sure to click on switch to personal account and then switch to personal account confirm, and just wait for it to load a little bit. And then as you can see here, you have switched to personal account. Now once you go back here to your profile, as you can see, you will no longer see the professional dashboard and you have completely turned off the business account on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.